Hello, everyone. You already have a screencast that I created some time ago that will walk you through the level 3 formatives for research methods and developing a position. So I just want to walk you through the summative assessment and the assignment that I gave a while ago. And I know for a few weeks the electives have not been stressed, so I'm just hoping this week can be spent catching up on these assignments now that we are in a regular schedule. So let's start with the summative, the letter to the Secretary General. If you have not done this yet, here are the two standards we've been working on. This assignment covers two standards, so you'll get two separate standard grades for this. Your intro paragraph, formally greet the Secretary and state the purpose of your letter, that you have your points supported by evidence. Then your three body paragraphs will be examples of what has worked well, the successes of the UN, examples of what has not worked well, the failures. Your recommendations for changes would be the third body paragraph, and then a closing statement paragraph. And again, in the closing statement paragraph, you're working on being able to write an argument which presents complex ideas, concepts, and information clearly and accurately. So you're basically, in your closing statement, you're really hitting home the point that the UN is effective, if that's what you believe, or it is ineffective, if that's what you believe. Now, as far as earning a 4 on this, this is going to meet, all of this work will meet both of these standards. In order to exceed the standard for research methods, you make sure that your research methods are supporting that thesis and that you are saying how your research methods supported your thesis. As far as developing a position, using fact-based evidence. Predict how your solution will fix the problem. Going back here, you're talking about your recommendations for changes. How is that going to fix what you see as the potential problem with the UN? Or suggest additional research that will further your assertion on the topic. Again, if you're saying that the UN is effective, what other research or what other resources are out there that are going to help to reinforce what it is you're saying? And then here, you are going to begin the letter to Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Moving on to the other assignment, don't bargain over positions. This was a reading assignment. The PDF is right here. Everyone has it in this assignment. And basically, it's similar to the previous reading assignment that I gave you that had a PDF, where you were basically just writing notes on what the important points are for each section within that reading. Again, it is up to you what you think the important points are. These notes are to help you in the long run. So those are the two assignments basically that should get done this week. I will probably post a new assignment come Thursday that will be due sometime the following week as we continue moving forward with this new schedule. Please email me if you have any questions. I know this distance learning is hard and confusing. The good news is that most of what I'm asking you to do are assignments that I had asked you to do prior to school closing. So take care, and please let me know if you have any questions.